Slugging is a skincare trend focused on locking in moisture and creating a protective barrier for the skin using an occlusive product. Start with a gentle cleanser like SKNLOGIC's Gentle Cleanse Cream. Apply a small amount of the Gentle Cleanse Cream to damp skin and gently massage in circular upward motions, focusing on areas prone to oiliness and makeup buildup. SKNLOGIC Gentle Cleanse Cream is a gentle cleanser that is soap-free and pH-balanced with ingredients that replenishes the skin's moisture. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry using a clean tissue to avoid introducing bacteria from a reused towel. Hydration is key before slugging to ensure the skin has enough moisture locked in. Use SKNLOGIC's hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid and fig extract to plump and hydrate the skin. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the hydrating serum onto your hands. Gently press the serum into your skin, focusing on dry or dehydrated areas. Follow up with SKNLOGIC's Omega Face Oil to add an extra layer of nourishment. This step enhances hydration and repairs the skin. Apply 2 to 3 drops of Omega Face Oil to your palms. Gently press the oil onto your face and neck. Traditionally, slugging has been done with petroleum jelly products like Vaseline, but SKNLOGIC's Derma Repair Balm offers a more skin-friendly alternative. Take a pea-sized amount of Derma Repair Balm. Warm it between your fingertips for easier application. Gently press or smooth the balm over your face, focusing on areas prone to dryness or irritation. Be gentle under the eye area and apply over the lips as well. The balm allows the skin to breathe while still locking in moisture, reducing the risk of clogged pores and irritation often associated with petroleum-based products. Let the product settle in for about 30 minutes before bed. Slugging is not suitable for everyone. It's best for dry or balanced skin types, but may clog pores and exacerbate acne for oily or acne-prone skin. Slugging 1 to 3 times a week is generally sufficient for most skin types. Adjust frequency based on your skin's condition and environmental factors. Increase frequency if your skin is dry, flaky, tight, or irritated, and decrease frequency if your skin experiences increased oiliness, clogged pores, or breakouts.